Hey there tech fans, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an essential tutorial for you. Have you ever been locked out of your iPhone and couldn't remember your passcode? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how to unlock your iPhone without a passcode if you forget the passcode of your iPhone, or your iPhone is disabled after typing wrong password, no matter. It is 6-digit passcode, Touch ID or Face ID. First things first, let's acknowledge the frustration of being locked out of your iPhone. Whether it's due to a forgotten passcode, a second-hand phone with a locked screen, or any other reason, it's a real hassle. But with Share iPasscode Unlocker, the solution is just a few clicks away. Here's what you need to do. Head over to the Share website and download the iPasscode Unlocker software. Also link available in the video description. Once installed, open the program. You'll see a user-friendly interface with a clear guide on what to do next. As you can see, here are multiple features like Unlock Apple ID. It can also remove Apple ID from iOS devices. Unlock iOS screen, and it can also remove screen time passcode from iOS devices, and it can also remove mobile device management from iOS devices. So to remove the screen lock, choose Unlock iOS screen. Now, connect your locked iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Click on the Start button to begin the process. Share will automatically detect your device. Now you'll be asked to download the latest firmware package. Choose a save path and click Download to proceed. iOS firmware packages are large files, so the download may take several minutes. It depends on your internet speed. After the download is complete, click Unlock to remove the screen lock. Share will take it from here, and in a few minutes you'll have access to your iPhone again. Make sure you have the backup and your iPhone will be updated to the latest iOS version when iPhone passcode has been removed successfully. It will say that unlock completed, and your iPhone will say hello if this screen looks familiar to you. That's because it's the initial setup screen that you saw when you took your iPhone out of the box for the very first time. You can set up your iPhone as new, including passcode, Touch ID and Face ID settings. If you have a previous iTunes or iCloud backup, you can restore iPhone from backup. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Also, hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Have any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.